Okay, this is just a total bonus design shaping design I came up with for the Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80. So I've actually created a snowflake out of buttonholes. So let me back up and show you what I did to get this. I could make this as big as my hoop if I want. I can have some extra fun with it. So I'm going to go ahead and touch the trash can and delete it. We were just talking about how you can bring over designs from the sewing side to the embroidery side. So I've gone ahead and actually selected a buttonhole. So just go ahead, bring it onto the screen. With it selected, you're going to touch the design shaping feature. Choose the shape of the star. And now, when you come here, now how many points the star has? It has 5. So if we choose 5, we get those. If we choose 10, we get that. And if you choose 20, you get that. You know what? I didn't do 15. Let's see what 15 looks like. All right. How about 30? Does that work? Or are we getting, oh, now we're talking. Okay, 30, 40, and 50. Who would have thought? There is times where you just need to play around with your sewing machine with some of these features, and you never know what you'll accidentally come up with and find that would be totally unexpected.